In this video, I'll be doing a 3x3 race with the YouTube channel TinyNerd. You can check out his channel by clicking the link in the description. This is the scramble we'll both be using, which you can use to see how you compare in the race. So he won that race with a time of 15.98 seconds, and I got a time of 16.68 seconds. Again, you can check out his channel by clicking right here, my channel by clicking down here, and one of my videos by clicking right here. And I'll see you in my next video.